Welcome to Master Scala, everybody. All the way from China. This is the FPV camera, and I just need to show you how easy this is to install. Paperwork, camera, and the charger. So, just quickly turn the camera on. You have the QR code here. Oops. Really? It comes to this here. Install. Quickly go out and just do the screen recorder. Very nice. Now, press start, allow location, allow, but I have to connect to Wi-Fi of the actual camera, and as you see here, VSP FPV camera. We've already plugged it in and it's turned on. Back to the app and start again. And as you can see, it is already connected. It is that easy. So let's strap this in. I've never had a system that is so easy to install as this. This FPV camera costs $33 US. And as you can see, it is good to go. Just for some of you that do not know or did not watch my last video, this button here I was told was just for the LED lights. It actually, if you press it once, it turns it into more of a crawler mode, so less top speed but higher torque to pull it over the rocks. I don't think it made much difference for our last review, but it is now in crawler mode, so let's see how much better it does. I seriously cannot believe how easy it is to install this camera. Ooh. Can it get over those? No, it cannot. Yay! You do have the ability within the app to, oh no, yay, to record and take screenshots. The quality isn't of the best out there, without a shadow of a doubt, but this is only $33 US, so I think you can let that go. This is for primarily FPV driving, isn't it? So I'm literally trying to drive the whole way just looking at the screen myself, not looking at the car. It's actually very detailed on my mobile phone here. No! Now obviously the camera is top heavy, so you do have the options on this car to be able to mount it, say, lower down there. You could potentially, because the battery tray comes off, you can mount the battery inside the car and have the camera below to get a really low down view. I'd say it's doing pretty well personally. Colin's recording now, but if I get him just to look at the footage, what do you think of that footage there?
It's not too bad.
For $33 US, and how easy that is to install. How long do you reckon that took to install? Minute and a half?
Yeah.
It's actually really quite interesting. I've never, you probably figured it out, I've never really been into crawlers, ladies and gents. However, this takes it to a whole different level. Trying to control the car from just the mobile phone is so interesting. It definitely gives you that first person view, which is obviously what you're after. Where are we driving? Let's go through all of these rocks. Oh, where are we going here? Oh, let's go like this. That is a very big rock. Oh. No way. How did it make that? You may see that we have no planned route here. We're just going wherever the car decides we want to go. I love this. I do have to be aware of the top heaviness of the car without a shadow of a doubt. Oh, come on. Nice. What a different dynamic to driving crawlers, Colin, don't you think? I think, ladies and gents, we've shown you how easy it is to install. We've shown you the footage. I think the possibilities of actually taking the camera apart slightly and fitting it even neater into any RC car is a possibility, and very easily done. So can I recommend this for $33 US from Makerfire? Thank you again to Makerfire for sending it to me. I think it's quite obvious, yes, without a shadow of a doubt. If you're after a camera for recording, this is not the one. If you're after an FPV camera that's super simple to install, hello. So, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.